How to find clipboard on iPhone. So let's get started. First, I'll show you guys how you can copy and how all of those copy go into your clipboard. So everything you copy will, get saved into clipboard. So after you copy it, you can just paste it right here. So let me paste it here first. So you can copy and paste here, and this text is saved on a clipboard. Now to find that, you will need to navigate into shortcuts. The shortcuts is a pre-installed app on your iPhone, so go to shortcuts and go to gallery on the bottom right. After you're on gallery, go to search bar and search for clipboard. After you search for it, you'll need to scroll down, and after you scroll down for a while, you will see adjust clipboard option. Now tap on the plus icon there. After you tap on it, go to shortcuts again, and you'll see adjust clipboard. Now just tap on it, and after it loads, you will see that text that you've copied and saved on your clipboard. So this is basically how you find clipboard on your iPhone. Now if I go back and change the text, let's say I'm just gonna name this subscribe, because you guys need to subscribe. So after I do this and copy this here and go into my shortcuts app, tap on adjust clipboard. After it closes for a while, you'll see right there the subscribe is saved on my clipboard. So that is how you find your clipboard on your iPhone, guys. Thanks for watching.